Hi, today I'm for the new Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct. We just unlock the device less than even 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.